Hi dear students. Now in the previous class again we already discussed about the solvency ratios only. So today we can discuss about some of the more solvency ratios. So we know solvency ratios are debt equity ratio, total asset to debt ratio, proprietary ratio, interest coverage ratio. These all are solvency ratios. So today we can take an example. From the following information, calculate debt to equity ratio, proprietary ratio and total asset to debt ratio. Okay, so three ratios we have to calculate from the information given. Which are the information given? See, equity share capital, preference share capital, general reserve, surplus as per statement of profit and loss, then debenture, 12% debentures, current liabilities, fixed asset, long-term investment, current assets. This much information is given in the question. What you have to calculate first? Debt to equity ratio. So we can write the formula first. Debt to equity ratio. Formula we know, debt divided by equity. Debt means long-term debt divided by equity here means shareholders fund. So from the question long-term debt we can find out. See in this question which are the long-term debt? Debenture is a long-term debt. Okay, current liability is not long-term, it is short-term. So only one item only has a long-term in this question. So which one? Only debenture. So debenture amount is 16 lakhs. So debt amount we can write as 16 lakhs. Then equity. Equity means shareholders fund. In this question, which are the shareholders fund? Equity share capital 2 lakhs. Preference share capital 3 lakhs. General reserve 2 lakh 50,000. Surplus as per statement of profit and loss 1 lakh 50,000. These all are part of shareholders fund. So these all items we can take as a shareholders fund. So it's a total is 9 lakhs. So equity is 9 lakhs. So 16 lakhs divided by 9 lakhs, we will get the answer 1.78. So we will write as a ratio 1.78 is to 1. Okay. Then second in the question asking to calculate proprietary ratio. Proprietary ratio equation already studied. Remember the equation. Shareholders fund divided by total assets. What is the equation? Shareholders fund divided by total assets. Shareholders fund, that means equity we already calculated how much it is? 9 lakhs. So shareholders fund is 9 lakhs. Now we have to find out total assets. Question you see here, which are the assets given? This side, this all not assets, these all are not assets. So here anywhere assets given or not? Debenture is not asset, current liability not asset. Fixed asset. How much? 21 lakhs. Long-term investment, this also asset 2 lakhs. Current asset, this also asset 8 lakh 80,000. So when you adding these three items, we will get the total assets. So fixed asset plus long-term investment plus current asset, we will get a total assets. So when you adding that three, the total asset will come 31 lakh 80,000. So shareholders fund 9 lakhs divided by total assets 31 lakh 80,000 is equal to, we will get 0.28. So when you represent in ratio, 0.28 is to 1. So proprietary ratio is 0.28 is to 1. Then one more equation they are asking the question to calculate total asset to debt ratio. Total asset to debt ratio equation we know. Total asset to debt ratio is equal to total assets divided by debt. Here debt means long-term debt. Total asset we already calculated here. How much is 31 lakh 80,000. So here we get a total asset is 31 lakh 80,000. Debt means long-term debt. Here already we calculated long-term debt is 16 lakhs. So here 16 lakhs. So 31 lakh 80,000 divided by 16 lakh is equal to, we will get 1.99 is to 1. So answer is 1.99. When you represent the ratio, it will be 1.99 is to 1. So total asset to debt ratio, proprietary ratio, debt to equity ratio, how to calculate? You understood? Any of the information directly not given, how to find out the information in the previous lecture I said. So go through that video also and practice the questions very well. All the best. Thank you so much.